Hi, today I'm going to be talking about stacks on Mac desktop. Stacks is a feature that was introduced by Apple on Mac desktops with macOS Mojave, which was released in 2018. As you all know, the current iteration of macOS is macOS Catalina, right? The stacks is also available on macOS Catalina. What is stacks? Stacks is a feature which helps organize your Mac desktop as per the file format, right? Typically, you would have seen on a lot of people's laptops or desktops or even their MacBooks, files would be laid across their desktop, which is a very cluttered and doesn't give an organized feel to it. People tend to spend a lot of time searching for that file, right? Whereas here, with use the help of stacks, you can find your file in a very easy and organized manner. Just look at this my screen as it is, and you can see that how it is organized very well with the help of stacks, right? So how do you activate stacks? Just double tap on your trackpad and you get this option here that says use stacks. I have already done it, so I'm just going to undo it, and you can see now what I'm talking about, how unorganized my desktop has become, right? And if I want to get back to the same way, I can probably do it the same way, but I can also do it this way. I can go to the file, the top menu here, and click on view and say use stacks, and everything just seamlessly morphs into that organized pattern that you've seen earlier, right? So this is a great feature that helps people organize their Mac desktop. Switch it on and get the power of Mac on your fingertips really fast. For more such videos and tips and tricks, please follow us on all our social media channels.